Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payout reconciliation in QuickBooks Online step by step clearly. To begin the payout reconciliation process in QuickBooks Online, log in to your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the banking menu on the left sidebar. Select the banking option to open your bank feed. Locate the account you wish to reconcile and click on it. In the account overview, look for the Go to Accounting link and click on it. Next, find the Reconcile option located in the Accounting menu. Select the account you want to reconcile from the drop-down list. Choose the statement ending date that corresponds with your payout. Enter the statement balance from your bank statement into the designated field. Click on the Start Reconciling button to proceed. Now, review the transactions listed on the screen. To match a transaction, check the corresponding box next to it. If a transaction does not appear in the list, you may need to add it manually. To add a missing transaction, click on Add Transaction at the bottom of the page. Fill in the necessary details for the new transaction. Once all transactions are matched, check the Difference field at the top of the screen. A difference of 0 indicates that your reconciliation is successful. If your numbers don't match, review the unmatched transactions to find errors. After ensuring everything is correct, click on the Finish Now button. QuickBooks will confirm that your reconciliation has been completed successfully. You can access your reconciliation report by going back to the Reports menu. Search for the Reconciliation Report to view the details of your completed reconciliation. And that concludes the step-by-step process for transferring payout reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.